Controversy erupted over President John Dramani Mahama's departure from Accra on the 17th of August 2025, amid claims that he boarded a Bombardier Challenger 605 registration MBEEP for his official visits to Japan and Singapore. Flight tracking data, however, debunks this. The jet departed straight to Berlin and remained there. Government spokesperson Felix Kwake Ofosu confirmed Mahama flew commercially via Emirates staking flight EK 788 from Accra to Dubai, then connecting to EK 318, onward to Tokyo Independent. Verification by other media lines, confirming no private jet was used.